Hi, I'm Miss Amiee, and welcome to Dinosaurs Galore, one of our summer reading themes. And today we're going to go prehistoric, back to the time of dinosaurs. I even have a big dinosaur bone, isn't that cool? We're going to make a volcano. Oh my goodness, doesn't that sound like fun? Now, to make your volcano, you're going to need some specific ingredients. You're going to need a bottle. Now, I used a 2-liter bottle, but this size is good, it's just a regular drinking size bottle. You're going to need a bowl to mix your ingredients to make the outside of this, which is called silk dough. You also are going to need some other stuff, as you can see on the table. You're going to need flour, and a specific amount of flour. You're going to need 6 cups of flour. You can either use a glass cup or a plastic cup. You're going to need some salt, 2 cups of salt for that. That's a lot of salt, believe me. And what else? Oh, vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, as well as 2 cups of warm water. All mixed together in here, and that makes this fun dough. Now what the fun part is, you can use a spoon, or you can just get your hands dirty and put them in there. It was lots of fun. It was a lot of fun to make this, and then you put it on here. Now this is an activity you may want to do outside or in a place where you don't care about the mess, but it's lots of fun. Now, how many of you made a volcano before? You know how much fun it is when the volcano erupts. So, are you ready to see what we need to put in our volcano? We need some water, more water. We need 2 cups of warm water, or depending on the size of your bottle, half of your bottle size. So I have some water here. Now I also have a funnel. You don't need to have a funnel. You could take a piece of paper, roll it up, and make it in. Let me roll it a little bit more for you. You could roll it up and make yourself a little funnel to pour stuff in. All right, so I have a funnel, so I'm going to use my funnel, and I'm going to put my warm water in. Oh boy, lots of water. Let's see. Doop, 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 doop. Oh, I can hear it going in. The anticipation. Oh my goodness. Lots and lots of water. Almost there. Okay, that sounds good. Now, we also need 5 drops of dish soap. Now, it doesn't have to be exact. So we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, this isn't required, but to add a little fun and to make it more colorful, you can add some red food dye. The fun part with the red food dye is you end up getting it on your fingers. There isn't really a set amount of drops, depends on how red you want your volcano to be. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's have some nice big volcano, right? Then you also need 2 tablespoons of baking soda. All right, so I'm gonna get my funnel ready, and I'm gonna get my tablespoon right here. I'm gonna fill it up. Oh, the fun part about baking soda is it's always clumpied. So sometimes you gotta break up the clumps. All right, so we have 1, and let's see. Oh, we got 2. Let's make sure this little guy gets down there. Oh, sometimes it gets stuck. No, it says 2, but should we put a little bit more? Why not? We really want our volcano to explode. Wow. So let's put a little bit more. Let's put another extra one for some extra fun. Okay, are you ready? What else do we need? Vinegar. We're going to pour this in very slowly. Are you watching? Are you ready to see our volcano? Oh, I can't wait. I'm excited. Here we go. I can hear it going in. I can hear the fizzle. Is it coming? Oh my goodness. Oh, let's do a little bit more. We really want our volcano to come out. Whoa, look at that volcano. Wow, we have some dinosaurs in there too. We got on our dinosaurs. Maybe that's what made the dinosaurs extinct. Maybe they had a volcano erupt. That was sure a lot of fun. So glad you could join me today Hope you try it at home.